Okay, what is meant by testing? Generally, what we can say, what is meant by testing? In general way, what I can say is that testing means, for a, what what is meant by testing, what testers will do. Okay, first, development team will develop this application. Okay, once development team develop the application, testers have to test that application. How the testers will test that application, what they will test. Okay, these and all the things we will come to know. Okay, during the point of testing, we will check each and every feature which was developed by the development team. We will check whether that feature is properly working or not. Okay, each we will check each and everything, whether that object placed in a correct way or not. We need to test each and everything. Okay, we need to provide a quality product to the customer or to the client. While during the testing, if we find any bug or any error or any defect, we will immediately inform to the developer to test, to check. We find a bug, we didn't see the expected result, please check again. We will inform to the developers. What these developers will do, again they check the develop, again they will check the application which they have developed. Again they will send us the same thing. Hi team, again we have developed something, we have changed, we have resolved that bug, please check the application again. There is no meaning without developers have developed the application. Without testing, there is no value to that application as well. Okay, once testers test that application, then only that application will be coming to the market. So analyze yourself, what is the main role of testers. Okay, how much value for the testers have in the software field. Okay, don't think that testers don't have any value, only developers have the value. Some software provision means, don't think that that is only development side. Software provision contains each and every roles. Okay, in software profession, every role is main playing a main role. Okay, developers play a main role, testers also play a main role, admins also play a role. Without any role, we don't it call as a software profession. Okay, don't underestimate the testing profession. Okay, if you are not there, testers are not there, means there is no value to the developers. Okay, they can't, without testers they can't release the application into the market. Okay, once we approve that the application is working fine without any errors, any defects, then only they will release that application into the market. Okay, for example, I will show you an application. Okay, if you consider this is a demo web shop application. Okay, developers developed this application. What testers will test here? Whether this register link is working fine or not. If we click on that, it should have to open. This is the search box. Okay, and whether we are able to input the fields or not, we need to check. Okay, test, we need to check each and every feature, whether the input fields, radio buttons are working fine or not, whether we are able to click on this books link or not. Okay, we need to check each and everything. Okay, here we have some of the drop down icons, whether this drop down icon is working fine or not. Okay, each and everything we need to check. Once if they click on login, we need to check whether they are able to provide email id and password. Everything we need to check. If you are unable to input any field here, we can inform to the developers that we are in this feature is not working, here this login button is not working. Like that we can inform to the developers. Okay, they will again check those issues, they will come up, they will resolve all those issues. Again they will come up to us, we need to check each and everything. Okay, this is testing, just testing. Okay, what is the main purpose of testing? Why we need to choose testing? Okay, in market we have several technologies and everything. then why we need to go for only this testing? I can say now in this session, there are many people. I am assuming that many people are freshers. Some people might have experience. Some people might be from non-IT background. Okay. Some people might have experience in other tools. Okay. Not be in testing field. Okay. They might be working in other fields. But why we are telling to choose this testing, automation testing? Because here, I can say very strongly that the person who wants to start their career, I can say that testing field is the best option. Because if you want to learn any other courses like Java, if you want from the basic, you need require C language, okay, C++, Java, core Java. The kid will be like keep on going. You need to update yourself. Okay, once if you learn Java, they ask you to learn core Java. Like that, they will ask to keep on asking to learn some other courses. It will be every time new. Okay, there will be no link. Every time you have to learn each and everything. Okay, it will be time consuming also. It will take lot of time. You might understand. There is a situation you might understand. You might not understand. Okay, but when coming to testing, it will be very easy to understand. Okay, it will be very easy to learn. It will take only minimum time, just like 1 month, 1.5 month. Okay, all require is that your effort, your interest. Okay, only that is required. Okay, no languages are required here. And you might get a question, are there the chances for getting job is more here or not? In testing field, the can we get more jobs? Is there any chance to get more jobs? Yes, we there is a we can able to get jobs here. Okay, chances are very high here. Okay, here we no need to depend upon any technology. Testing field will remains forever until developers develop their applications. Testers have to test the application. That means testing field will be remain forever. Okay, we will get now in software companies they are paying lakhs to the freshers as well. If you are good in automation, they are paying to freshers more than 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, like that. Okay, even if you don't know any technology also, if you are good at automation, they are paying you lakhs of rupees. Okay, don't think whether I am eligible to this course or not, like that. Okay, anyone can able to learn this testing. Okay, then now we have coming to testing, we have two types of testing types. We have two types of testings. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. Then now you will get it out, ma'am, which testing we have to choose, which testing have more life, whether manual testing has life or automation testing has life. Previously, most of the companies prefers for manual testing. Before 10 years back, we don't have any automation testing. Everything is based on manual only. But nowadays, very less chances for manual testing. Most of the companies are hiring, they are looking into both manual and as well as automation testing. So if you want to jump to testing side with only manual knowledge, it won't be helpful for you, for sure, I am telling. If you have both manual knowledge and as well as automation knowledge, you will be hiring. Okay, you will have more chances to get jobs. Okay, within short span of time, with having less experience as well, you will get the job. Okay, first we will come to know what is meant by manual testing. Okay, and later we will go what is meant by automation testing. Okay, which is preferable. Okay, first I will go with the manual testing. In manual testing, what is meant by manual? That means testing, it will be tested by humans manually. No tools will be there, nothing will be there. Okay. For example, this application has to test manually. Analyze yourself how much time it will take to test all the features here. Okay. How many people are required to test this application? Okay. How much effort it required, how much amount the companies have to invest, only if you consider this single page. Okay, if it needs to click on register, we need to fill the registration details. Okay, these and all, each and every feature has to check manually. Okay, in previously in a manual team, it requires minimum 7 to 8 people to test an application. Okay, it will take lot of time. Okay, morely a 1 month it will take time. Okay, there may be a chances of getting human errors as well. Okay, you might check this register button but forget to check how this feature is working, login feature is working. Okay, you might miss this shopping cart feature while you're testing manually. Okay, it will take lot of time. First you need to for any if you want to test, you need to write you will have the manual test cases. Like first we need to the how the manual test case will be. Like first we need to log into the url. What is that url? Demo web shop is a url. First you need to log into that url, that is the first step. Then you need to register. Okay, once you register, you need to fill all the details. That is a second step. These and all they will write in a manual way. How? First log into url, then click on register, then go to the personal details, select gender, then give first name, second last name, input your mail id, give your password, confirm password, and then click on register. It will take minimum to minimum 3 minutes of time to put all these details, right? But whenever you come to the automation, it will take very less time. Okay, now we will go with the automation testing. Automation testing. First, what is meant by automation? Automation means automating any particular piece of a software or a functionality with a particular software tool. Clearly understand, guys. I am telling what is meant by automation. Okay. Automation means automating any particular piece of software or a functionality with a particular software tool. We are automating with the help of a software tool. Nothing but third party tools. With the help of third party tools, we are automating. For example, let us take this application. In order to develop automate this application, we need to in order to automate this one, we need require a third party tool. Okay, so the definition I am telling that what is meant by automation means automating any particular piece of a software or a functionality with a particular software tool is called automation. Okay, you told me, ma'am, third party tools are other software tools. What are those other software tools or third party tools? Okay, third party tools be like Tosca. First, will come from the Selenium. Selenium, UTP, UTP, UFT, okay, Micro Focus. Micro focus. And now our part, Tosca. Okay. These are all the third party tools. Okay. Among all these third party tools, in order to automate any application, now we are utilizing Tosca. Why we are going with Tosca? Why not Selenium or other third party tools? Okay. I will tell you why we are choosing Tosca but not Selenium. Okay. You know, guys, if you consider Selenium, Selenium is a free source tool. Okay. And it will, we can able to automate only web applications. And it required coding language. It required Java. Correct. So it at least it requires some technology. At least we'll have to learn one of the language in order to, if you want to get a job in Selenium, we at least we need to have any one of the language knowledge. But when coming to Tosca, we didn't require any language. Okay. But remember this, this is not a free source tool. Okay. In order to get this, in order to buy a license, we need to pay lakhs of rupees. Okay. In order to get the Tosca license, we need to pay lakhs. It is nearly 11 lakhs we need to invest on this. Okay. See why the companies are trying to even the licenses cost is more, but the companies are trying to invest more on Tosca. Why? Because selling before Tosca, all are prefer only Selenium at the time. All are having knowledge on Selenium, and they are put more focus on Selenium students only. If you want to hire a job through automation, if you want to get a job, we need to go for Selenium only. But from past 8 years onwards, whenever the Tosca come into the market, somehow Selenium come down. Okay. Tosca comes into the picture. Okay. We are getting more jobs on Tosca. Why all people are preferring to Tosca means there is no coding required here. No language need to be learned. If you want to learn Selenium, it will require minimum 3 to 4 months. Okay. And you need to do a lot of practice. At least you have to learn all the basic languages as well. But this Tosca, it will require hardly 30 to 35 days. Okay. You can easily understand, no coding will be required here. Only the thing is that if you want to understand, if you want to learn Tosca, or you can, if you want how if you want to understand Tosca, all the thing is that you should know. You might get a question, ma'am, if you want to learn Tosca, do I do any graduations or like any courses are like that? No courses are required, only if you learn this Tosca. But you must require a basic manual knowledge should be there. Manual knowledge required for Tosca. No other languages are required. Okay. You must have a good communication skills. Okay. You must have a good presentation skills. You must be talkative. Okay. You must have to come up with whatever the doubts in your mind. You should have to come up with all those things. That's it. You should be able to speak. That's it. Okay. Graduation is enough. No other no other graduations are required. Okay. Even if you are completed any graduation also, that's enough. Okay. After that, without learning any languages, if you are a fresher, if you want to get a job, first learn knowledge, manual testing. Get some at least minimum knowledge on manual testing. Okay. Then come to this Tosca. Without having manual knowledge, it will be little bit to understand this automation tool. Okay. But you must have a minimum manual knowledge in order to understand this Tosca. Okay. First, this Tosca was developed by a Tricentis company. The headquarters is at Austria, and in India, it is located at Pune. Okay. This is all about Tosca, and it was developed by Tricentis company in the year 2007. Up to now, they have several versions came into picture. Okay, nearly more than now current version is 2023. That is the latest version. Now people are utilizing 16 version 16.2. Okay, multiple versions came from 2007 to till now. Now I will tell you what is the need for automation, why we have to choose this Tosca automation tool. Okay, in Tosca automation tool the results will be more fast. Okay, here it is reusable, the time and money will be saved. Okay, Tosca automation advantages. First one, it is more fast, more reliable, reusable, time and money will be saved. Yeah, accuracy will be more. I will explain you each and every point. Okay. Yeah. Why I am telling it is more fast means if you compare this automation with the manual testing, if you want to test any web application, if you want to automate, if you want to test this web application, it will take lot of time. Okay, for you need to click, you need to open URL, you need to click on register, you need to wait for some time to load this page, and you need to fill all these details. There might be errors coming up. Okay, you will get data from the client something, and if you input the data something, then you will get the errors. Okay, there is a chance of getting human errors as well, but it will take a lot of time to check each and every feature. But when coming to automation, if it takes in manually 10 minutes means in automation it will take only 2 minutes. Okay, I will show you how it works. Okay, but now I will tell you what are the advantages of this automation. Okay, why it is reusable means in manually, if you do any work you can't save anything. Okay, whatever you have tested the features, if you come tomorrow, if anything if anything got changes or if anything happen, you need to do it again from the scratch. Okay, but when coming to automation, to Tosca automation, if you want to reusable means it should be usable, it should be useful at any point of time. Okay, here in Tosca automation we have libraries to save. Okay, from libraries whenever you want, you can get the data from the libraries, and whenever you want you can use that data. Okay, no need to each and every time you need, don't you no need to check every time. Okay, you can, from we have libraries in Tosca. Okay, from libraries we can reuse. That means in automation we have a reusable feature. Okay, and time and money will be saved. Why time, why money, how money will be saved? Okay, through manual it will take lot of time for the people. Okay, for example, in order to automate this entire this page in this application, all the features, it will take minimum, if you think for example 15 minutes of time means it will take only less time in through automation. Okay, and how money will be saved? Okay, in manual your team size will be like 8 members, 10 members, but you never see in any automation team more than 5 people, very less, mostly less than 5 people. How they are saving the money? In manual there are 10 people, they should have to invest money for each and every person. Okay, but while coming to automation, they have to only invest money only for 5 people. Human size is reduced. Okay, and money is also they are saving. This is how the software companies are thinking. They require only smart work. Okay, instead of 10 people doing the work, they are through these automation tools, they are aligning the work to only 5 people, and they are investing only on 5 people only, so that their time is saving, their money is saving, efforts are also reducing. Okay, this is how the time and money will be saved. And the results, accuracy, you will get exact results. Okay, but in manual, you can't store anything in manual. Okay, if you want, eh, we can't say through manual testing 100% results will be get. Okay, for sure there will be errors. Okay, human errors will be there, any type of errors will be there, but in through automation we will get 100% results, and we will get all those results with all the proofs. Okay, where that is getting failed, what is the reason for getting failed. Okay, each and everything, at which step it got failed, every step will be, everything will be, all the results will be very much accurate here. Okay, this is that is the need for automation. Now, what are the advantages of Tosca? We will compare the advantages between Tosca and Selenium. Okay, if you check with the Selenium, Selenium support only web applications. Okay, but this Tosca will support all kind of applications, web applications, SAP applications, desktop applications, all the kind of applications it will support. And it's a scriptless automation, no coding is required. Okay, here we can say it is a scriptless automation tool. Tosca is a scriptless automation tool. Tosca is a scriptless automation tool. Scriptless automation tool. Each and every person can learn easily. Okay, here we are using, what kind of framework we are using here is that it is a inbuilt framework. Inbuilt framework we are using. Framework we are using here, it is a inbuilt framework. You might get it out, what is meant by framework. Framework means it should have a logical and meaningful structure, and naming convention, and it should be easy to understand for each and every person. Okay, if you go for the Tosca, and if you enable the scripts, if you are scripting, if you are building the scripts, it should be in a meaningful convention. Okay, once you see the script, it should be understandable to each and every person what you're doing inside the steps. Okay, no need to go and check each and every step. By checking, by seeing the step, folder name itself and the title itself, they should have to come to know what you are performing inside the steps. Okay, and this is, now I will show you how the Tosca automation tool will be, and I will show you an example how to automate the test cases through Tosca automation tool. Okay, guys, this is a Tricentis logo. Let me show you once again. You can see this is a Tricentis logo. Tosca. You can identify this is a Tricentis logo. Okay, this is a Tosca tool. How the Tosca tool will be. Here in Tosca, the main thing is that we will do only drag and drop. Okay, you will get several questions. Ma'am, how can we do automation without any coding language? How can we do? Okay, for that reason, I am showing you the example. Okay, how we can easily automate any application without any scripting. Okay, this is the tool, Tosca automation tool. Guys, believe me, the same tool you will be using in your projects as well. Okay, you might get the doubt, ma'am, this is not a free source tool, then how can we work? Tricentis have provided a, a free license training for training purpose. They will give you the license for 1 month. License will be provided. Okay, they only developed the demo web shop. They have developed this application in order to do practice as well. If you want to buy the original license, it will cost 11 lakhs more lakhs. Okay, this is not the free source tool. You need to get buy the license, then only you can able to work on this Tosca. But for practicing purposes, they will allow us 1 month. Okay, that is a free license only. 1 month you can work on this. Once 1 month is completed, that license will be expired. Again you need to register to the you again you need to request for the license. Okay, this is how they only developed the demo web shop application in order to practice as well. Okay, the only thing is that you need to install this Tricentis Tosca application, and you need to practice on any web applications if whatever you want. Okay, first I will show you how to automate the application. Okay, just I will show you one simple test case. Okay, here we will have modules. Okay, see here, if you want to click on this register button, we need to, what we have to perform, we need to perform click operation. Okay, first, how the Tosca will identify this register link. Okay, and then how it will click on this register button. Okay, we will see. Through modules, it will, through modules it will identify the elements, or you can call it as objects. Okay, or controls. Okay, whatever you want to call, you can call, no issues. Okay, these first modules will identify the elements. Okay, then in test case section we will perform the operations. Okay, first create a folder. We need to scan the application. Which application we want to automate, we need to select the application first. I am selecting, I need to automate this demo web shop, so I am clicking on this. I selected this one and I am clicking on scan option. Okay, I will clearly detail you, explain you how to install the, how to register, and how to get the license, how to install this Tosca. Everything I will explain you detailedly in next session. Okay, but now I am just giving a example how to through Tosca how can you automate the test case. Okay, first select on screen. We need to click on select on screen. First you need to click on register button. Okay, this is how it will select the, see what and all the properties related to register will be here. Okay, these are all the technical properties. Okay, this is the inner text register. Okay, save. I will just show you how to click on that register button. What you need to do is that from this demo section, you just drag this register button to test case folder and drop it to the respective folders. Okay, here in new test case, you get the new test case, right? What we are doing? Click on register. What we are performing here? We are clicking on the register button. Here we are giving click operation. Okay. Now just let me show you. Let us see whether it will click on that register button or not. Okay. We are in the now in the home page, demo web shop home page. Now I am showing you. Let us run in Scratchbook and see whether it will click on that register button or not, and see whether the test case is getting passed or failed. It got failed. Why? Because no matching tab was found. Previously we scanned the application with demo webshop.register. Okay. That is the reason the test case got failed. Now the test case is in demo webshop is in home page. Previously it is like demo webshop.register. Okay, we need to inform each and everything to Tosca. Without informing to Tosca anything, it won't do anything blindly. Okay, now let me do one thing. Now see, now even though it is in home page as well, it will work. Okay, I didn't scan the module again, but it will work. See. It is showing more than. Let me close all the browsers which has been open. Symbol equal to true. Strength index. Now let us see. It should have to work. Let me scan again. Something issue with this application, not sure. I'm dragging it and dropping again into this test case folder. Let me try again. Yeah, see, now it's working fine. You can see, right? You just go and click on that register button. It would be this much easy. You need to create the modules and you need to drag and drop into the test case, and you need to give the actions, what and all actions you need to perform. Like if you want to give, if you want to perform click operation, you can perform click operation. If you want to input something, you can input something. Okay. Brief according to the regarding how to test automate this test case and all, we can look into it on tomorrow class. Okay. Now I will tell you what and all the benefits, what is the course, what is the course content, what you are going to learn in this course. Okay, all these things, what are the benefits you are getting if you, while you are going through this Tosca, these sessions and all. Okay, and first thing I will say, this is a 35 days of course. Okay, every day it will be 1 hour of course. Okay, for daily it will be from 8 p.m to 9 p.m. We will cover 1 hour, and every day recordings will be shared by you, shared to you everyone. Okay, regarding the software, regarding how to install this Tosca, and the software required for this installation will be shared to you by share drive. Okay, it will be this is a actually you can get the real time experience on this. Okay, even who is having experience, they can keep by learning this course you can keep 3+ years of experience. Okay, that much knowledge you can get from this course. Okay, free manual testing classes will be conducted here, and I am measuring that 100% job assistance will be provided to you. Okay, mock interviews will be conducted by me, and I will let you know how to do certifications and all regarding to this Tosca. What are the basic certifications required for this Tosca? Okay, if you have any doubts in your classes as well, one-to-one connection will be there. Okay, we will give you the time to clear all your doubts. Okay, this is a course content, what and all the topics you are going to cover here is that you can see here what are the Tosca components. Okay, I didn't get time today to explore on this Tosca more. Okay, tomorrow we will come, tomorrow I will show you only regarding the Tosca tool, how we can see. This is the Tosca tool, right? I will tell you how to divide this Tosca tool, how to understand. Okay, there are different sections here. Each and everything will be demonstrated from in tomorrow's class. Okay, okay. Today I just given the brief introduction. Okay, what is meant by testing? What is the purpose of testing? What are the kinds of testings? Okay, what are types of testings? What is that manual testing, what is that automation testing, why we need to go for automation instead of manual. Okay, even though in automation as well, why we are going to Tosca. Okay, these and all will be lane. Okay, what is the here, these are what are the topics that we are going to cover. Okay, you can see in the course content and all the recordings will be shared to you. Okay, basic window operations will be covered. Okay, buffer operations, configuration parameters, dynamic expression. Without giving static weight, how can we handle them with the dynamic expressions? Okay, how can I you already tell you about the reusability. Okay, what about the reusable test step block? Here also we will use the if conditions, while condition, do while. Okay, repetitions we will use, you will use the calculations, arithmetic calculations. Okay, how we can automate the tables as well, how we can able to automate the Excel operations. All these things will be covered in this course. It is totally 35 days of course. Okay, If you do practice daily, it will be easy for you and you can easily understand. Okay. Now it's time of yours, guys. Let me know if you have any queries. I will clear all your doubts. Okay. I am stopping sharing my screen. Now it's your time. If you have any queries, you can ask me in short. I will clear all your doubts.